Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So first of all, today's video is a rare video because if you guys are subscribed and you guys watch my videos, you guys know I barely do beauty content, but one of my 2020 content goals is to incorporate more beauty, makeup related videos on my channel. So, you know, a step in the right direction. But today's video will be the first video of my Black owned business February series. I still don't know what I'm going to call it, but y'all get the point. Throughout the month of February, I will be highlighting and showing you guys items and services that are brought to us by Black owned brands. It's super important that we support our people, we buy things from our people, we go to our people to get services done. But sometimes, you know, some people make it hard to support our people, but it's okay because I'm here to help y'all. And all of the brands that I will be featuring in this series are brands that have amazing customer service, amazing products, etc. So you ain't gotta worry. So in today's video, we will be trying out and reviewing the Justine Skye times the lip bar collaboration. I'm really excited about this. I bought this 2 weeks ago, but I've been holding off on trying this until I sat here to do this video during the month of February. So I'm really excited. In case you guys do not know, the lip bar is a Black owned, women owned brand. All of their products are vegan and their products are just dope. I did a review on their lippies a while back. I'll go ahead and link that video above. But their products are really amazing and you can find them on their website, thelipbar.com, or in Target retail stores. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below because you'll be back for more, period. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment down below after you watch this entire video with your thoughts, comments, suggestions, or whatever's on your mind. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys can see, my face is like halfway done. I basically just wanted to really do like the foundation of my face. And then we're going to go ahead and finish our face using the Island GYAL collection, which is the Justine Skye and Lip Bar collab. This is the packaging that it came in. I went ahead and purchased the entire collection, and I'm going to show you guys what it entails. So this packaging was super cute. I really liked it. And yeah, so when you go ahead and open it up, it has this wrapping paper which says the lip bar, the lip bar, the lip bar, the lip bar. And then you open it up and we have this little card which describes the collection. So it says, an Island GYAL collection is an expression of creative freedom. Level up and take risks with vibrant purples and blues. Balance your chakras and get some plants in your life. Expressing yourself through beauty doesn't have to be complicated. Inhale, peace, exhale, there. Shop this limited edition exclusive at thelipbar.com. And then it has these beautiful pictures on it. So this collection is only available on the Lip Bar's website. However, the other products that the Lip Bar offers are available at Target. So in here we have the entire collection. I'm not gonna lie, I went ahead and opened it up and swatched it out. Well, I swatched a palette, nothing else. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open everything up and swatch it so you guys can see how it swatches. So the first component of the collection is this palette, which has 4 shades in it. It's more of like a highlight palette, but I'm also going to use it like for eyeshadows as well. So it has these 4 colors, and I'm just going to go ahead and swatch each one so you guys can see. So the first color is Bear With Me, which is this like bronzy gold color. Y'all, this palette is really pigmented. That was just one swipe. The next shade is Island GYAL. This is how she looks. The next color is Juju, which is more of a brown shimmer. Yeah, my arm is so hairy. So that's Juju. And then the last color is Ultraviolet. And I thought this color was a perfect color to describe Justine. As we know, Justine is just known for purple, so that shade is just perfect for this palette collection. So these are the colors of the palette. If you are interested in just purchasing the palette, it does retail for $25. The next component of the collection was the blue eyeliner. I am in love with colorful eyeliners, especially when I'm going on vacation. So the fact that this was an island theme collaboration collection and it had a blue eyeliner in it, I was just in love. I'm just like, ooh, honey. So this is the eyeliner. The name of it is Island Ting. Real cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it right here. And it's really pigmented. Y'all see that blue? The eyeliner retails for $14 if you get it on its own. And then we have two lippies. So the first one is a vegan liquid matte. The name of this shade is Fire. And it is a metallic finish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch. Ooh, real pretty. This is how it swatches. And I'm just gonna let it dry down as we swatch the gloss. The name of the gloss is One Love, which I love. And this is how the gloss looks. Real cute. I love how the colors complement each other, but they're still like a tad bit different. And each one of these lippies retail for $16. So that is basically the collection. And now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face using it. So as I go through, I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm using. Okay, all right. So there was this picture of Justine Skye online. I'm gonna go ahead and include it here, but she basically had ultraviolet all over her lid, and that is the look I'm going for today. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pop Island Ting on my waterline. So that's the tea we given today. Okay, so I have these brushes here to help me out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take ultraviolet and start applying that to my lid. Yeah, applies way better with my finger. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush to get close to my inner corner. That looks so pretty. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful, and it's like kind of iridescent, which I love. So from one angle it looks like bluish, and then from another angle you can see more of the purple in it. But I absolutely love this color. Oh my god, I would have never thought to use like a color like this on my eyelids, but when I saw Justine do it, I'm like, I'm gonna do that too. So this is how ultraviolet looks on my eyelids. I really love it. So also I think I'm gonna try to take some Island GYAL and put that like in my crease just to add a little dimension. Yes girl, they complement each other so well. We popped Island GYAL in our crease, and now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes off using Island Ting on my waterline. So creamy. But you guys see how dark colors on your waterline kind of closes up your eye a bit? So I went ahead and put Island Ting on my waterline. Real cute. And now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the fallout that I've had from the shadows. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour. I'm just using my regular contour. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mix Bear With Me and Juju for my highlight, and I'm just going to mix them together. So I'm gonna take some of each one and pop that on my cheekbone. Ooh, ooh. Okay, a little bit goes a long way because we got too happy. And whenever I apply too much highlighter, I just like mix it in with my contour, and that does the trick for me usually. And yeah, so I went ahead and applied that as my highlight, and we looking real bronze, real gold. I'm ready for somebody's Caribbean sun to be hitting these cheekbones so we can see the full effect of this. Okay, so next I'm going to do my lips. So I think for lips today I'm gonna go ahead and apply Fire and then go over it with One Love. I think that's what I'm gonna do today, and we're gonna see how this goes. So in general, one thing I love about the Lip Bar lipsticks is the applicator. So this applicator makes it super easy to put on a liquid lipstick with no lip liner. So whenever I put on a Lip Bar lipstick, I barely use a lip liner, like barely. So I'm gonna go in with Fire. Oh my god, that looks so good. Wow, that is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Like, what is going on? Like, excuse me? I need like 5 more of these. And it dries so comfortably, just like the other Lip Bar lippies. I'm here for it, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with One Love and just apply that over Fire. And Fire dry down really quickly, so you gotta work fast, honey. Y'all, this is about to be my lip combo for the rest of the winter. Like, when y'all see me out here glistening and shining in that snow, just know it's that Fire and that One Love. Because, girl, what? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face. I'm going to apply my setting spray because we out here looking kind of chalky. I'm going to put my liner and my lashes on, and then we will be back. Hey guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and put my lashes and my liner on, and this is the final look. I'm absolutely in love. It definitely gives me like winter vibes, like with the dark vampy lip and, you know, the pop of color on the eye. But I can also see myself rocking this on my upcoming vacation. So just act like y'all didn't see this face already when I post my pictures on Instagram, okay? But this is the final look. I'm in love. This collection is so amazing, and also I love how each and every one of the items of this collection give me like Justine. You know, like, she's known for the purple, she's known for, like, you know, a metallic-y finish on things. So I absolutely love how this collection incorporated her personality and her style, and I absolutely love it. All of the products were amazing quality. I told you guys the prices. I feel like the prices are very reasonable, and also it's a Black-owned business, so it's a plus. Also, comment down below and let me know if you guys picked up this collection, if you guys plan to pick it up. If you guys do want to pick it up, I'll have the link in the description down below, so you guys can just click it and go ahead and purchase. But this is a look. This is how I feel, and this is the end of the video. So before you guys head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that red subscribe button down below and turn that joint gray, because you'll be back for more. As a reminder, throughout the whole month of February, I will be highlighting different Black-owned businesses. So if you're here to give our people some of your coin this month, then keep on watching my videos. Make sure you guys turn on your bell notifications so you guys know exactly when I post on your video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and drop a comment down below. Don't forget. And until my next video, which will be February 5th, I will see you all later.